Way better.
Everyone, this thing's gonna kick ass.
Alright, well, we're, Red Thunder is dead again. I wired my tach, this red wire here. It was spark plug induction pickup, which was foolish, but I didn't know much about wiring a tach at the time, and now I know more, but clearly not enough, because I wired that red wire into the positive of the coil, and it shorted out, and shorted out the main circuit of the truck. I melted my battery cable clean off, and there was smoke arcing from... I had an arc from both of these, and melted the battery cable. I'm kind of sketched out at the moment, but yeah, I guess I'm not as proficient in wiring as I thought. So I'll do some troubleshooting, take it apart, figure out what I did wrong, and hopefully wire this tach up properly. It ran great. It sounds awesome, as you guys will hear. So I think I'm gonna call it a day, and
Put some more videos when it's done.
yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on the Red Thunder 5-speed escapade. I think that's what I'm calling this project. So I'll keep you updated on the progress, and I'll get back to you guys when I have more news. So until then, don't fry your truck's electrical system. So yeah, don't wire your tach into the coil if you don't know quite what you're doing. So alright, we'll see you guys.